Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex. Today, we're diving into a fascinating little word, a B2 level adverb. Our word of the day is automatically. It means without effort or thought. When something happens automatically, it happens on its own, almost like it's programmed to occur. Think about breathing. You do that automatically, right? You don't have to tell yourself to inhale and exhale. Some similar words we can use instead of automatically include spontaneously, instinctively, and mechanically. For example, the flowers opened spontaneously in the sunshine, meaning they opened naturally without any help. Or, she knew the answer instinctively, meaning it came to her as a natural reaction. And the machine was working mechanically, suggesting it moved without any manual input. Now, what about words that mean the opposite? Well, antonyms for automatically include manually, deliberately, and intentionally. For example, the car wasn't working, so he had to start the engine manually, which means he had to do it by hand. She deliberately chose the red dress, meaning it was a planned choice. Or, he intentionally left the door open, implying it wasn't an accident. Now, how can we use automatically in daily life? You might hear someone say, "My phone automatically connects to the Wi-Fi," or "the coffee maker automatically shuts off after an hour." These are common situations where things happen without someone actively controlling them. Here are some sentences and phrases using automatically. The payment was automatically deducted from my account. She responded automatically without thinking about it. The door automatically closed behind us. I automatically reach for my glasses first thing in the morning. We can use automatically to describe a variety of actions and processes. To recap, automatically means without effort or thought. We explored synonyms like spontaneously, instinctively, and mechanically, and contrasting antonyms such as manually, deliberately, and intentionally. It's a word you'll hear and use frequently, so make sure you remember it. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing to the podcast and leaving a review. Your support helps others discover the show and learn with us. Finally, create your own sentence about automatically and share it as a comment under the video. I look forward to reading them all.